I'll just show you how to use the automatic parking facility in this Citroen. Basically you just cover the brakes and the car steers itself. So into the parking, you've got parking sensors, park assist, blind spot monitoring, park assist. Now enter parking spot, just reversing in, exit parking spot, and start bay park, which is reversing lengthways into the parking spot. So we'll go for start bay park. Shows you on the dash there. Select side using the direction indicator. So if we indicate left, we're going to park the car on the left. You've got kind of a spinning movement. Into drive, we go forward, it'll measure up to a maximum of 12 miles per hour. Parking possible, go forwards, reverse, release the steering wheel. So into reverse and release the steering wheel. In we go. It says go forwards, reverse. And I did this, I've done this a couple of times already, and it parks a good safe distance from the car on the left hand side. We've also got the go forwards again. Reverse. Nice. It's a very accurate parker. There you go. That's it. It's all done. Simple as that.